Hey guys, what's up? It's Miss Mo here to show you how to add your summary to the class timeline. The first thing you want to do on TimeRime.com is make sure that you're logged in under the correct username. You know that you're logged in under the correct username if it says welcome and then the username has the number of your block in the name. If it does not, then you're going to log out and log back in under the correct username. So I'm in block 7, so I'm in the right place. And it also says it right here. So here's my timeline. You can see we've got years along the top, and you can see that the years are negative, and MA stands for millions of years ago. And they're negative because they occurred before the year 0. So let's see how to add items to the different eras. So let's say that I am trying to add an item for the Cambrian explosion. So under this part, you can see how I'm on general information right now. You want to click items. So now you're here, you're going to type in the name of the event or period in which you're summarizing. So let's say I'm doing the Cambrian explosion. Make sure I spell it right. I can always change it later though, and I'm capitalizing the first letter of each word. Here's the tricky part. Under the begin date and time, you want to put a hyphen for a negative sign. And you want to just put when your period or event began. So for a Cambrian explosion, it happened at the beginning of the Cambrian period, 544 million years ago. So I'm going to write 544, and then million has 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No commas, no spaces. 544 million years ago. And then you're not going to put an end date or a time. And then scroll down. This area right here is where you're going to paste your summary that you wrote yesterday in a Google Doc. Not this area here where it says short description. Here, this big text box is where you're going to paste it. So now you want to click on the tab with your summary, and we're going to copy and paste this into TimeRime. But please do not copy and paste your names into TimeRime because it is a public website. The world can see it, and you need to be safe when you're using the internet. You may, however, include your initials. So you want to highlight your summary. You want to copy it. You can either say edit, copy, or you can just hold down the command key. Oh, I guess you have to hold down the command key on your keyboard and press the letter C to copy. Or you can do edit up here. Okay, so we got it copied, and now we're going to go back to TimeRime. We're going to click on this big text box here, and you're going to paste your text. Okay, you can make words bold or underlined. You don't want to insert images here. It doesn't work for some reason. And I'm going to show you on the next video how to do images and YouTube videos. Okay, but for now, you want to save. Always, always save. And if you did it right, it should show up in the correct location on our class timeline. So you have to be very patient. This website can be very slow. Try clicking it again. Oh, now it's working. There it is. And I can see that it's in the beginning of the Paleozoic era, which is when the Cambrian explosion occurred. So I did it right. And from here, if you want to edit it, you can scroll over the event and click edit. Of course, you're only going to edit yours. And if you want to delete it and try again, you can press the little trash can button over here. But we're all going to be working on this at the same time, so that means it's going to be kind of slow and you're going to have to be really patient. If it is getting locked up, you can take a break and look for some pictures and videos to go with your event, which is going to be the topic of my next video. I will explain to you how to add images, add videos, and sounds. And that's how you add an item to the class timeline. Thank you.